Sorry.
That's okay. Should we put do we need the stair lights on, do you think, Mom?
Hold on.
Let's see. I don't know. Probably helpful. Oh, that helps.
Is that better? You're not going to get much more than that. Oh, man. Ready? Yeah. Our coffee's not done yet.
2012.
Just go.
Okay, go. Don't fall down the stairs with your stompies on.
Did your stompy stomp?
No.
I think it.
Second present for us? Hey, wait. What about the seller? For me? Wow. Where's all the other presents? For me? Wow. Where do I put the presents?
What is it?
It's a remote control helicopter that I found.
Do you like that?
Yeah.
Okay. Now
And
Santa.
I love this
Santa, hey.
kitchen. Santa brought me this. A
Hey,
new kitchen.
Josh, come here. Listen about the helicopter. Santa talked to me about that. He sent me an email. Okay? You need to go put that down over there by the computer, and we have to have a special place to fly it, because otherwise it'll be a train wreck, okay? I even have an idea of where we can fly it. Do you like it?
Sign.
So, no. Tell Santa, thank you, Santa.
Thank you, Santa. Okay. Wow, a bag too. Hey, Tess, this is for both of us. For Teresa from Josh.
Let me put it right there.
From you. This is one of
Don't
mine.
open them yet. Don't open them yet. We're not there yet. How about stockings first?
Yeah. I'm gonna get my
Thanks.
stocking.
Oh, no? Wait. Hang on.
No.
Mom has a plan. Hang on.
I don't think stocking first.
What?
Okay.
I think,
Mommy has a plan.
yeah. I think we do presents first, don't you? Or,
Hey,
well, I guess.
you're the one directing the show. I just work
I'm
here.
not
Whatever you want.
directing any show.
That's fine.
Hold on. No, we could do stocking first. That would be good.
Okay. But can you get mine down? I will.
We always do stockings first. That way Uncle Jesse has something in his mouth.
What about trouble stocking? Trouble stocking? Trouble stocking has some stuff in it. I see a new stuff in my stocking.
Okay, take that.
Mine.
Go to the couch.
Oh, it's big and heavy. I think gloves are in there. Yeah, maybe.
Hey, Beauty. Look over here. Look over.
M&M's candy cane. I got M&M candy cane. Oh, I got presents.
Don't open them up yet. Wait for Mom to come down.
Oh, so Mommy.
Don't open them yet. Mama's going to come down first.
Dad, you
Sit on
got
the couch.
something for Christmas too. Look at this. Look how many Santa eat.
Yep. Santa ate the heck out of those cookies.
Are these?
Here. Someone grab this one for Daddy?
Yeah.
Don't open it yet, Josh. Wait.
Merry Christmas. Look at my underwear.
What?
It's Spyro.
Spyro?
Yeah, Spyro underwear. Spyro's name is spelled S-P-Y-R-O. That's how we spell Spyro.
Santa's got an elf up there. Elf on the shelf.
Really?
Yeah. Big blonde one.
Where's Shaggy Elf? Daddy, I see him right behind you.
Where is he?
Right there.
He got a good spot.
Daddy, look right there. I got Field Run. Field Run. I got underwears.
Did you?
Yes,
Hey,
I got-
say that again. Real loud. You got what?
I got presents in here.
Sound like anybody, Mom? Underwears.
This is how you spell Field Run.
There's underwears everywhere.
Yeah.